Hey folks, this is the Oral-B IO rechargeable toothbrush. We're gonna open it up. It's not for resale. It's a pro model, but it is for demo only. And it's got all sorts of new features. So let's just unbox it. I'm pretty sure this is the same thing you get in retail packaging, but I don't know. So it has a sticker here. Don't need that. Has another sticker on this side. You can see if we can get under this. There we go. And remove it. Okay. Opens up. It's a nice package with the welcome booklet or page. Hello. Some nice graphics. So there's all sorts of fancy stuff here. Okay. And there's the brush. Okay. Let's get that out of the box. What do we get in the box? A fancy carrying case. Some heads. And a charger. Okay, let's see what this is. And this is a carrying case. I'm not sure if this doubles as a charger. We'll find out. There's a couple of heads in here. 1, 2. I'm not sure if they're the same thing. They're slightly different. You can see one is a little bigger than the other. Both say Oral-B IO, but you can see the shapes are different. Okay, a little bit different shape. Okay, we'll leave that there. And the charger, it's just one of those base chargers, and you put the toothbrush on top with a cord, sorry, that goes straight into the wall and plugs straight into here. It's not USB or anything like that. And the fancy carrying case opens up somehow. How exact? Oh, there we go. Okay, so yeah, it's not a charging case, but it does look like it lets you put the brush in there and perhaps some heads in here. Okay, we'll close that up. Okay, let's have a look at the actual brush. So one of the nifty things about this brush is that it actually has software, or it allows you to communicate through Bluetooth with software, and it will turn on and do all sorts of fancy stuff. Let's see, I'm gonna turn it on. 2 buttons, on, off, and I'm not sure what this button is, but I guess it cycles through modes, and there's a Bluetooth thing right there. So let's start this up. And it has an LED display, English, German, simplified Chinese, French, Italian, Spanish, Japanese, Polish, traditional Chinese, Russian, Korean, Arabic, and back to English. Okay, so how do you select this thing? I guess you hold this down. No, I guess not. Let's go back to English. Help if I read the manual. I'm gonna press on again. There, that's the selection. White, okay. What the heck does this mean? Blue, turquoise. Oh, that lets you customize the rung up here. Pink, yellow, orange, white. Here, we'll leave it as white. There, puts a check mark. I'm sure you could change all this. Okay, daily clean. Sensitive. Okay, so this lets you go through modes. Gum care, intense, super sensitive, tongue clean, and settings. Okay, I'm wondering what's in settings. I'm gonna just go straight to that and see. Whoops, go back to settings. Okay, enabled. Oh, maybe you can disable Bluetooth. Disable and cancel. Okay, what else do we have? That's it? That's the only settings? Oh, light ring. Oh, here's where you can change it again. So you can hit that and then go through the different colors. Okay, fine, I changed my mind. Let's do pink. Okay. What other things can we see? Language you can change. Factory reset, I guess, brings it back. And then back, I guess that resets you out of settings. Okay, back to, okay, let's try daily clean. Okay, you can hear that. It's doing its thing. Should I open one of these up and try it on? Yep, let's give it a try. It's pretty quiet. It gives you a timer there. I have not hooked this up to the app yet, but I'm sure it'll allow you to play around with settings on the app too. Perhaps even some of the settings you saw on the brush. Perhaps even additional settings that were not on the brush. Okay, did you see that? At the 30-second mark, it buzzed differently. So I guess it's indicating that you're, so you can switch to different side of your mouth. Okay, I'm gonna slide this on. Okay, and it is definitely doing something. All right, it's gonna do something again. It looks like it's programmed for 2 minutes. Okay, here it goes. Did you see that? It adjusted a little bit there, made a kind of a buzz, different buzzing sound. It paused. So we're at 1 minute. There's the brush. I don't know if you can see this rotating. I'll try to zoom in on this. Not really, it's hard to see it, but it is moving around. Let's see if it has pressure sensitivity. Okay. Yeah, okay. We're gonna press on this really hard. Okay, you see the LED turned red. When I push, it's giving you a feedback color-wise. I mean, if you're looking at the thing, so you know when you're pressing too hard. Okay, and we're almost at the end. It's 153, 154. It should stop. And nope, doesn't stop, but it makes a signal. Now you're over brushing at this point. All right, how do you turn this off? Oh, this switch mode is in the middle. Gum care, intense. Okay, if you want to turn this thing off, yeah, it goes back to showing you the time. You hit that button. Gives you a nice happy face. I wonder what happens if you don't go that far. Here, how do you turn this off? I guess you hold it down. Okay, I'm gonna hold down the power and keep holding it and see if it turns off. Nope. What about both buttons? What about if I hit this? Okay, I guess not. So at this point, I'm assuming that the brush will power off on its own. It will not let you turn it off any way, shape, or form. It gives you a battery. Now I haven't charged this thing. It came right out of the box, so it's obviously 50% charge and is off. Does it have anything on the bottom? Sorry. It shows focus, come on. Lithium ion, FCC, made in Germany. That's interesting. It's made in Germany. All right, we're gonna go back to, oh, it's on. I wonder if this thing senses when you pick it up. I didn't turn it on. Okay, other than that, I guess that's basically everything in the box. Our case here, I'm assuming, this is a little bit tricky to open, but I can't seem, oh, there we go. Yeah, it doesn't fit like this. You have to take this thing off. It'll fit, I believe, this way. And then I guess one of the heads may fit in upwards like this. There you go, like that. Okay. And it comes with 2 heads. Let's see what the other one is. We'll open this up as well. Just a little bit. Maybe that's for sensitivity. And we'll do the same. This will go in here, facing up. Okay, that's how you travel with it. Okay, and that's it there. Along with this, of course, because you need to power up the brush or charge it at least. Actually, if you're traveling, you don't need to charge it. You're probably going to be fine using this thing for at least a week. Even if you don't charge it, I'm sure it'll last that long, because it can go pretty long without charging. Okay, it's off at this point. I'm going to try to turn it on and then off. Okay, there it goes. I'm going to start it. Okay, whatever, gum here. Okay, and on. Okay, I'm gonna stop it. Oh, sad face. Sad face. Okay, that's what I wanted to show you. So when you brush long enough, it gives you happy face. If you don't brush long enough, you get the sad face. There you have it. I didn't get a chance to delve into the Bluetooth app at all or anything, but I'll try to do that and see what it looks like. Maybe do a follow-up video. If you're interested, please let me know. Give me a comment, thumbs up, and I'll do a Bluetooth review as well on the app. Thanks again for watching. Bye for now.